You can easily earn money on the Zap Surveys website by answering surveys. The money you earn can be effortlessly withdrawn as an Amazon gift card or a MasterCard e-gift card. Don't worry about whether this website is legitimate. This platform has high ratings and reviews on both the Play Store and App Store, so it's a legit website. Now, let's see how to create an account on this website, complete surveys, and earn money. Click on the link provided in the description to go directly to the website. Use your Gmail ID to sign up quickly and easily. Now we're on the Zap Surveys homepage. If you notice, unlike other survey websites, this one is very simple and easy to navigate. Let's see how to complete tasks and earn money here. In Zap Surveys, there are only two ways to earn money. 1. By answering daily surveys. 2. By referring others and earning commissions. Let's look at these methods one by one. Click on the Surveys tab on the left side. Here, you'll find the available surveys. Your job is to click on and finish these surveys daily. When I completed my first survey, I earned $2 immediately. However, you can't expect the same amount every time. Okay friends, completing surveys is the primary way to earn money on Zap Surveys. The second method is refer and earn. Let me show you how this works. If you scroll down in the surveys section, you'll find your referral URL. Here's how to use this link. First, share this link with your friends. When your friends click on your referral link, register on Zap Surveys, and start completing surveys, you'll earn a 10% commission on what they earn. That's the concept. Now let's see how to withdraw the money you earn from completing surveys on this website. Once you reach the minimum withdrawal limit of $10, you can easily withdraw through two options available in the Redeem section on the left side, Amazon gift card or MasterCard. As soon as you hit $10, click on the Cash Out icon, enter your account details, and proceed with the withdrawal. Alright friends, that's it for this video. Zap Surveys is a great way to earn money easily, but it's not suitable for making a significant income because the tasks here are very simple and the earnings are limited. However, it's an excellent option for side income. Okay friends, if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment box. Thank you.